Yeah, big up to the family. Online families and thing on, dude. Camera looks clear. The place bright, huh? Probably I do some repair on our place. Oops. Then take off all the poly wall. So she will start one side of your side already. One side of her so she will finish her side here now. Yeah? American board them. So we're just here. Yo, it's like from me get up this morning, like me just know if like on the mood for going away. Cause me if I go green up go deal with a little one thing and the Camille. But I don't know, like every time as me I say alright, I go up on the road and now it's like I just get this feeling like I see my youth. So yeah man. Stay in the house and watch some TV or something. You know? Cause maybe say I go sit down out on the front and I say, yo, I'm going back in your bed here, man. So I ain't coming over to die. Sorry. Yeah, man.
It's still up?
Yeah, man, come drink some.
When?
I see yesterday.
I say they drink out this when I go one glass me drink. Yeah, me not do some still.
But you're not drinking. Me have to just drink it. Jungle juice. We don't say go kiss it either. Watch him there. Come for this. Watch it. We don't say go to you. Watch him. Watch him now. Oh, for bread that day, no? Man,
so
half full of
you have a bread, you know video.
Oh, and half a bread meat, I cut off piece. If you tap galang someone, it will half full.
Hello, I'm making them to carry my stool. One stool come. See what I want they quiz out I jug them. I jug me a talk about me you no jug for me man. I jug to the dash man.
Watch him. I tree give man it one time. Dangerous suit, daddy.
I'm sure they are going to feel comfort.
Man, full in then. Watch him. Jesus Christ.
Who for them, brother? What problem?
Probably say that family that they.
Anything here by my side didn't take it from my
Oh. Still Pali say cause a Pali brother. Greedy, huh? Shimon daddy. Easy daddy. Yeah, with the guns in daddy. Yeah, bite the tongue. Yeah, so there. If January come, the people them tell me say January before this can come off of me and what they might try and move all of my finger and it can slightly feel on the pain in the same. And me all off after Polly? Oh. No, from my day I still never just there watch one what? Baby Driver. I think it's Baby Driver and I mean, watch Predator. Predator 2. This show was stuck. The internet chip out on this one. Yeah. But as me I shown you, say probably I do some repair on our place, you know? Take off some. But you go show see me probably, so stop. Why is every top spread you think out of like? Yeah. You know, but what you want for your Christmas, Polly? Yo, you know what I'm saying? They ask Polly like, what you want for Christmas or birthday? Guess what Polly say? Money. You know, the present there, none Polly say you want money. Polly, what you want for your Christmas? Eh? What you don't want for your Christmas? Yeah. Yeah, what you want?
One dressing at church. One shoes, one pair of shoes.
So you want somebody buy them for you?
Let me tell you what I want. Let's sit down and talk. I need a church dress to go to church on Christmas Sunday and maybe New Year's now. To start by like every other Sunday. And I need a shoes that is a church purpose shoes. And for the Christmas I need a suit from a grand market. And I need a suit for back to basic. So 3 suit me I look on this one and 3 pairs of hairstyle. Turn up! So anybody can sponsor me, just sponsor me for the Christmas.
Yeah. Back to basic is our party we keeping near to Falmouth this like I think as a last year they must start keep it every Christmas time. All it's like just all its music right through, yeah. But my go to a store I'm showing you what I want because better I'm showing you. You see this a room I have for me in I have. This was the only room that we look how small it is. This was the only room that we had at first. You know? This was the only room. So yeah, me, my 3 sisters. Oh man, my brother and I used to stay over here still. But yeah, all of we used to stay in this room and one room and then what my mother used to do. When a big man there, his mother used to just like wash. You know? Do like them work there, you see it. And then after I didn't say like when small, you know. So the room I'm just showing you which part everything started from, and then this room I know was like over this side was only like in this kitchen, a small kitchen, like from this door go back more, you know, was only kitchen. So we just have this part here and yes room and kitchen for just like what I say 5 away in one, you know. So we grew up like rough, you know. Then I think she meet now accident, you see me, and her foot broke. But then she ain't get, yeah, I mean I don't know anything said, and then she put on this room also. And then everybody start chipping, you see me, because everybody start work and then we build this apart, this all that way for our room, you see me. And then we build on a kitchen, yes, you see me. And then we build on a bathroom, yes, and then she put on for our room and I stitch up our things. So probably like them what they are original, you know. You see me, because remember where we are come from, you see it. And I also remember one time one man cuss probably really sweet daddy. Like when me tell you say cuss, I mean cuss her out, like to her say yo, all we pack up in a one room like sardine tin. I'm like, bruh, that was disrespectful, you know. And she said she don't make it better because like which is it's life, you know. And then everybody born with gold spoon or born in this big house or a struggle real, I can tell you that, yeah. And like the same people them a cuss her and tell her them thing them are like me live to see she in a better position than them people, you see me. And the same people them more me I go up on the road and them see me and beg me a thing, and me wouldn't fi say yo like oh me not, you know, me still give them, because like me look and if you say yo, even though like me kinda a better situation than them, you see me wouldn't look down upon them, you see it. Me still help them out, see me. Them beg me a bills, 2-3 bills and I have it, I give it, you know. If me not have it, me not go stress myself, but me give it same way, you know. Cause yeah, yo, it's like you never know what somebody I go through. You see me? You probably see somebody out the road like I beg you a thing, but you probably feel like saying just I beg it. You see me? But deep down, they can really want it, you not even know. You see me? So I'm always giving. You see it. So I was just sharing that little story, like where exactly we are come from, you know? From me, like from my side of family I come from my mother side of family I come from, you know? For board floor. Like you could have peep down through one little hole on the floor and look under the cellar. You know about cellar and them thing. Like people could have stay under the cellar and peep up in our house and them thing. Like how far we I come from. So me actually happy for wish for we day in our life, you know. So I was just sharing that little story just because she's like she had to leave her room, you know. So yeah. That's us. Polly family. That's Polly's side of family, bruh. And we are here still roughing it out. We ain't rich, we ain't, you know, but we can help ourselves, you know. And right now, me actually happy to say, hola, Polly youth them right now working, you know. And if anything did if you do, we can help her out. See, right now, as so she has said she want this and that for her Christmas, so we can probably come together and say, oh, Polly, you know. Because honestly, she has said she want this and that. And I like me feel like it best we just give her the money and, you know, while we chip in, give her a piece of food and she go buy what she want to do. Because you probably buy her one and she don't like, you know. But that's just for the day. Yeah, that. Because like me, I close off the vlog in the night, you know, so you generally bogle, you know, you get some things and make sure so that I get something same, you know. You have to roll it and get it back. The boss have one shirt, you see me? Alright, the boss say, you go on the grand market, you see it? No, bigger bag.
Here.
Give me that bag. Give me a bag. Give me a shirt. Yeah. Boss say my beat up on the grand market. You see me? Forward yesterday, boy. Look, bag there, boy. Yeah. Oh, Vita, go. Yeah, so I give boss a one cut up foot jeans, you know. Them a girl, they want to see boss in nice t-shirt. Though. So I feel a Christmas present that they know about. You see me?
No, let me go.
Hold on. Here I am. IG, you know, up top.
Here.
Up top. Yeah.